If I had to pick one comforting, soul-warming dish that I could eat on repeat, this dahl would be it. It's creamy, cozy, absolutely full of flavour, and it is bursting with plant points. Everybody needs a dahl recipe in their back pocket. They're incredibly versatile, and there is really no limit on what you can do with them. If you're looking for a simple dahl that's fully loaded with ingredients you've probably already got in your cupboard, then look no further, because this is for you. First things first, let's prep. Grab yourself a nice big onion, peel and finely chop it. Now, coriander. We're going to use the whole bunch. Chop finely and then save some leaves for garnishing later. Garlic and ginger are essential. We've got nice fat cloves and a big lump of ginger. I find the best way to grate ginger and garlic is with a box grater. Microplanes aren't great for garlic, but ginger's a little bit too dense. What we're doing here is basically making a garlic and ginger puree. Now, get your biggest saucepan on a medium heat. In goes a good drizzle of olive oil, about 2.5 tablespoons, and then the chopped onion and half a teaspoon of salt. That's going to help draw out the moisture and make the onion go lovely and soft. Give it 5 to 7 minutes. You want it golden, aromatic, definitely not burnt. Now we're layering in the good stuff. Garlic, ginger and fragrant coriander. Stir that around for 2 to 3 minutes and your kitchen is going to smell unreal. Now for some spices. In with cumin, turmeric, garam masala, ground coriander, chili flakes and a little fenugreek for that earthy sweet edge. Stir everything together for around about 30 seconds. That's just enough to wake the spices up. I like to pop in a little caster sugar in here, but you don't have to. Now for the star of the show, we've got protein-packed red lentils. 200 grams, rinsed well. Straight into the pan. Stir them around to coat them in the spice base. Then in go your chopped tomatoes, veggie stock and a full tin of coconut milk. Stir it all together until you've got this rich, golden, fragrant mix. Bring it to a gentle simmer with the lid on and let that simmer away for 35 or 40 minutes and give it a little stir halfway through because you don't want it to catch. Once it's thick and creamy, give it a taste. If the lentils are still a bit firm, stir in a little boiling water, about 75 ml, and let it go for another 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's ready, serve it up into big bowls. Spoon on some plant-based yogurt, your remaining coriander leaves, and some chili flakes and a drizzle of olive oil. And there you go. You can dig into this with naan, rice, or just a spoon and a good appetite. This is comfort food the Bosch way. Bold, warming, and delicious. If you make it, let us know. And if you've got any dahl tricks, do share them in the comments because we are always learning. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Cheers.